Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about digital signature and how is it created. So to create a digital signature, we are using Cryptool software in this session. And before moving into using the Cryptool software, let's discuss about what actually a digital signature is and how it is created. A digital signature is exactly like what it sounds like. It's a modern alternative like to signing documents with pen and paper. It uses an advanced mathematical technique to check the authenticity and integrity of the digital messages and documents. So digital signature, it uses two techniques. First thing is hashing, and the second technique is asymmetric cryptography. So what actually hashing is, it is the process of converting a given key into another value. A hash function is used to generate the new value according to a mathematical algorithm. In this session, in this video, we are going to create a message digest which is used to test the integrity. Message digest is a Message digest is used to test the integrity in hashing function technique. So the second thing is asymmetric cryptography. In asymmetric cryptography, it is a technique which makes use of the two keys. One is private key and the second thing is public key. In asymmetric cryptography, we are going to use both public and private keys. So all this is all about what a digital signature is, and let's start the usage of Cryptool software and how can we create and verify the digital signatures. Let's open the Cryptool software. Okay, the installation process is going on. Okay, it is showing that it is already installed. Okay, let's open it directly. So here we go. This is the Cryptool software. You need to press close it. First of all, we need to create a plain text message. Go to the file, create new, put some content for the plain text message. Now let's save this file using any name. Writing it as there are two ways to verify and create the digital signature in Cryptool. Let's see that. You can go with the digital signatures PKI. Here you can see that PKI. Here you can generate and import the keys. and you can sign a document, and after signing the document you can verify the signature or extract the signature. This is one procedure, and you can also do it with signature demonstration, the signature generation process. So now let's do using PKI. Let's generate and import and the keys. So let's follow the first procedure. Let's move on to the PKI, generate our import keys. Here the keys can be generated using any type of the algorithms like RSA, DSA and elliptic curve. So let's give some name as I'm giving the name as my name. For giving the name, the key identifier is optional and we need to give a pin. I am giving it as 00000 and 00000. We know that for generating an asymmetric cryptography, we have two keys. We need to have two keys, that is public key and private key. So this cryptool software needs to create a new key pair. Now this key pairs can be generated using the large random prime numbers. So the key pair can be formed by using the large random prime numbers. So whatever algorithm we have selected, we will get the same. We will get the key pair using that large random prime numbers. So now to create a new key pair, click on generate new key pair. Here you can see a new pop-up that the parameter chosen by you and the new key pair has been successfully saved. The assigned key identifier is this, and the elapsed time is the key pair selection is 8.442 seconds. In generating the key pair, we have used the RSA algorithm. So if you want to see this key pair that we have generated, you can press it on show key pair. See here, you can see the key pair that we have. See, you can see the created key pair here. So moving on to the next, for the authentication of the public key, uh, we have to create make sure that the public a digital certificate for the for the authenticity of a public key. We need to it requires a digital certificate. We need to create it now. Digital what is the necessary of the digital certificate? uh, when this sending the documents from the sender to the receiver, the receiver needs to verify that when the receiver needs to verify whether the document is from the sender or not. By using these digital certificates, this authenticity can be evaluated from sending the documents from sender to the receiver. So the digital certificate plays a major role, so it needs to be created. So click on this. Here you can click on show certificate, where you can see the version, subject name and issuer name. So let's close it now. After the key pair is generated, we need to move to the next step, that we need to sign on the document.
This is our document now.
For signing the document, we are using the MD5 as a hash function, MD5 hash function, which has 128-bit hash value, the output length of 128 bits. Now click on the selected document and give the code we have given. And I will now sign on the document. Now I will click on sign. See here, this is the actual message that you have given, and this is the signature that has been generated. Document I sign. We need to verify the signature. How we can verify the signature? As I have already told you that
You can verify.
with the help of the hashing with the help of the hashing at the receiver side, that message digest which we have sent with along with the message, we can compare the message digest along with use of a hashing function, hashing technique. We can compare whether it is authentic or not, when the where the required uh, we can compare whether it is the actual file which was sent was authentic or not, it was tampered or not. We can compare it using the hashing technique. Simply we can say that by comparing the both the message digest along with the messages using the hash function, we can compare the signatures of the documents. So now let's verify whether the digital signatures are same or not. So let's click on the digital signatures here, click on verify signature. As I have as my messages, we can select the type and we can go with the verify signature. Yes, it is showing that correct signature. Duration of the signature, it takes very less time. So let's make a small change in this by erasing the yourself word. Now let's check whether whether it shows or not. It is showing it is an invalid signature. The duration, yes, yes, see, as it is giving that as I have changed the message that I have given in the in the message box. I have deleted the word yourself, so it is given the invalid. So the message should not be changed so that it can be given as a correct output, or else it will be given as invalid. So this is one of the procedure for creating a digital signature in Cryptool software. And there is another procedure using the signature demonstration. Here you can go, as you can see, some of the steps involved to create a signature and store the signature here. So we need to select a hash function, we need to generate key, and we need to provide certificates. And doing all these three steps, you can create a signature and you can store it here. This is the another step or another procedure to create a digital signatures. So in this way we can create a digital signature using Crypto software. Thank you.